Tiny. Why say?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence Tiara here. You guys, this is my very first time doing a frontal tutorial on my channel, and it's actually my first time wearing a frontal, my second time wearing a frontal. This is also my very first time using the Sunber hair. You guys, this hair is so bomb for this look, and it just really gave me the look I was going for. I'm gonna have all of the information for this hair down in the description box below. That way you guys can check them out. I 100% recommend this hair. Also, this is in the 10-inch, and it's a Brazilian straight lace front bob. It's freaking awesome. It also comes with combs in the front, the back, and 2 on the side, just to give you that security. That way you don't actually have to put in a band if you don't want to. Alrighty guys, so this really isn't a tutorial just because I am not a professional by far. Like I said, this is only my second time doing this, but it's kind of just like a do my hair with me type of thing. I mean, if you want to learn from it, you can, but only take so much. Like, don't take the whole thing. So what you're going to want to start off doing is coloring your lace with the foundation that you use. That's the same color as your skin. I didn't bleach the knots on this. I felt like it was pretty much already giving me like a brown skin looking tint, so I didn't have to bleach the knots, which was perfect. I'm also just going to go ahead and get my edges pulled back and out of the way by using the Murray's Edge Wax, and I absolutely love that edge control. Next, you're going to go ahead and cut off the flaps that are covering your ears. That way you can let the frontal sit comfortably on your face. You guys want to be super careful with this part because this is really like the most important part. If you cut the flaps off, then you kind of have to throw the whole frontal away, and we don't want to have to do that. So definitely take your time. I think I did the other side in the mirror because it was kind of hard doing this on camera. So just take your time cutting the flaps off from your ear, and it should look like this. Alrighty guys, so I didn't want a more permanent hold, so I'm just going to use the Got To Be glue versus the bold hose. I do have that too, but I knew that I was going to take this off tonight. So I'm just going to put the Got To Be glue along my forehead. I did use some alcohol just to clean up my forehead since I did have makeup on it. So you want to make sure you are doing that so you're not getting any crust or anything like that in the glue. And you're just going to blow dry that. I actually did this twice, and then I just blow dried the Got To Be glue until it gets kind of tacky or like sticky. Once it's dry a little bit or kind of tacky, you're just going to simply take the lace and lay it down right on top of that glue. And you're just going to grab a comb. You don't want to use your fingers too much because you do have grease and makeup and oil on them. So I'm using this comb to just kind of make sure I'm digging the lace down onto the glue and just making sure I'm pressing it on so that it'll kind of stick, if that makes sense. I'm just going to do that to both sides. After that, you're just going to want to blow dry it so that it could dry and you make sure that it's definitely tacked down. So since I used the Got To Be glue, it's not as strong as the bold hold. So if it comes up a little bit, that's okay. That just means that either you didn't let it dry or there wasn't enough. So you just put some more on and basically do the exact same thing. Don't be intimidated or anything like that if your flaps come up. It is a little bit harder to get the flaps down versus the middle part. After that, I just cut the lace with scissors. I do it in flaps, that way I can kind of control what I'm doing. And you really kind of want to be careful with this as well. And if you can see, I'm cutting in like a zigzag form versus straight across, just so it does look a little bit more realistic, because our hairline isn't just straight across. It's kind of like gappy and zigzag lined up. So you're just going to do the frontal the exact same way. And you want to cut off as much lace as possible without cutting off your real hair. So right here, I thought I wanted baby hairs for this look, but either I didn't do them right or it's just not what I was going for. It didn't look cute to me. But to get baby hairs, all you would need to do is just take some mousse and a toothbrush or a comb and just slick your baby hairs down. I might have needed to pluck a little bit more, but I just realized that I didn't want baby hairs for this look. So I just pretty much combed them out with the comb. So that worked out. And now I'm just putting some mousse on the top of the hair just to get the flyaways down because there was a little bit of flyaways. I just burned the tired of myself. Whew. And now I'm just going to flat iron the hair just to get it pretty much straight. And that is really it for this video, you guys. This was super easy and took me like 20 minutes to get this down. Like I said, if you want a stronger, longer lasting hold, I do recommend the boat hold versus the Got to Be Glue because it's just kind of like a gel, but it definitely works. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful in any kind of way. Let me know some of the things that you do. If you like this video, give me a pink heart, you guys. Let me know you're part of Tierra Gang. And thank you guys so much. I will see you guys on our next video. Bye, guys.